Hey guys, Sam here from Ecommerce.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create videos for your product pages. I'm going to go through 3 real examples of product videos that are all different and show you the types of videos that you can create for your store. Of course, if you're just a beginner in e-commerce, you may not have the budget to invest in a full production video. So that's why some of these examples you can do yourself in your home with your iPhone camera. The first example I have here is for the Roosh laptop stand. Okay, so Roost, that's the actual brand name. So this store here, they're either drop shipping or stocking this product and then just selling it to all their customers. If I scroll down right here on the product page in the description is this embedded video. Let's take a look at this video really quickly.
Hey guys, Daniel here from Rush Faster. Today we're checking out the Roost. Focus.
So what this is a review video. So the owner of this store is actually just making these simple videos where they review the products on his store that he's stocking or drop shipping.
So the Roost laptop stand is a portable laptop stand measuring 33 centimeters by 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters. It weighs just 110
It's going into specifications just like you would in a product description.
10-year warranty, and it's incredibly durable. It's actually made from a glass fiber reinforced nylon construction, which is actually a metal replacement polymer. So a metal replacement plastic that's incredibly heavy duty. So when I first got a laptop, I always looked at people who use laptop stands and I thought,
So really, he's reviewing the product, he's going into more detail, looking at the specifications. You can take a look at this video, I'll leave it down in the description below, it's on YouTube. And he goes through, just like any reviewer would, a YouTube reviewer, and he just has his camera there, just talks through, he probably has a script that he's written, where he just goes through and talks about all the features of this product, why it's so good. It's almost like a sales pitch / review. So he will upload this video to YouTube, link to the product page in the description, and that's also going to drive some extra traffic. It also means when the Google Shopping traffic hits this product page, they're also going to see this video, which is a big step up from what the other competitors are going to be doing. And this is the first example that is actually really easy to do. Even though the production quality on his is quite good, like he's got the lighting set up, you can just have a simple review video of just yourself or just someone that you know there in front of the camera just talking through the benefits of the product. It's a great way if you have a low budget. Honestly, don't overthink it, because a lot of the reviewers on YouTube, they don't have an amazing setup. You'll see my setup right now. It's very, very simple. I don't spend a lot of time on production, and I just make my videos just me talking to the camera, and it's all about the content. For most products, that's totally fine, but the video itself, as long as you really speak to your customers and show the value of the product. In this video, he's going to be really selling that product, showing all the benefits and why it's so useful. The next product we're looking at with a product video is this gardening tool. It's like a reach and pick up tool that you can use to squeeze into tight places. Let's look at the video right here.
With this Craft-Rite 820mm pick up and reaching tool. It's constructed from sturdy aluminium and designed for picking up lightweight objects. It features an extendable...
It's a very simple video. Of course, they filmed it in their store, but you can film it anywhere, in your house, in your backyard, wherever you want to film this. And all he's doing is just talking through the features. It's so monotone and so basic, but honestly, this video is actually very incredible. Like, it's so simple to do, so simple. There's a bit of B-roll. B-roll is when the camera shows the product in use while that person's talking over the top, and it just goes through that entire product. It's very, very simple.
Pickup arm, and it's foldable for easy storage. Plus, it has a comfortable, easy-to-use grip. You'll find it in the tool shop at your local Bunnings warehouse.
Fantastic video. It's very descriptive. It's almost like a product description, but in video format. This video does really well to sell the product. It builds trust. People can actually see what it looks like and it being used. Yeah, if you did this for your product pages, it wouldn't take that long, honestly, because you could script out, say, 5 to 10 videos and film them within an hour. It honestly would be so, so quick. But then having them on your product pages really puts you ahead of the competition. I can imagine this would actually really help their conversion rates. In your example here, think about your product and how you could just make a quick mini review. This is a 30 to 60 second video that just goes through the product. It's like a product description. How could you do this for your own products? The last video I want to talk about here is if you had the time, the money, the creativity to spend in making a much more in-depth product video. These guys are selling these portable bonfires. They apparently make the airflow for the fire work really well, so there's no smoke. Apparently it's really, really good for the campsite. And they've made this product video, which I'm going to show you right now. And man, this thing is a work of art. They've really thought about the story, really understand their customers, and show the benefits of this product. I'm going to play for it in full right now for you, but just keep in mind the story that they're telling, and even more so, what they're actually selling. They're not just selling a piece of metal, they're selling a whole experience. Okay, let's go into it right now.
We're Solo Stove. Since 2011, we've been making super efficient wood-burning backpacking and camping stoves. Our unique patented design doesn't require any bulky batteries or fans. All you need is a handful of twigs or sticks. Year after year, we enjoy interacting with the
They've told the story about the brand, really connecting with their customers, and now they're going into social proof. So it's almost like reviews, but they're looking at all the pieces of content, other YouTubers that are using their products. And so if you're watching this as their target demographic, you might be seeing these people that you already know, like influencers, but you're also seeing people in different use cases that you might use the product yourself.
growing number of Solo Stove users. We're grateful that they trust our products enough to take with them on their most memorable adventures. We believe that time spent outdoors with family and friends can create some of life's most precious and meaningful moments. But with our lives becoming busier and busier, spending time with those we care about is becoming more difficult. So we're making it easier for you to spend more time with family and friends outdoors.
So see, they haven't even spoke about the product that much. They've shown some imagery of it, but they're talking about getting together with your friends and creating great memories. If you think about this, this is a step above just selling some sort of product. You're selling an experience. You're selling an emotion, the connection, the belonging, and selling basically the ability to create memories. Of course, people can create memories without this product, but they're really tying it to the product. And a lot of great brands do this. Think about Coca-Cola with their Enjoy Coke ads, where it's all about this being in summer and drinking and being with your friends, and it's all smiles. They're trying to create that connection between the emotions experienced and the actual product.
Introducing the Solo Stove Bonfire, a backyard fire pit like you've never seen before. The Bonfire uses the same patented design and technology as our other Solo Stoves, but it's our largest model yet.
So I'm guessing now, so they've started talking a bit more about the specifications and the features. We're halfway into the video and now they're actually talking about the benefits. But even up until this point, it has been very engaging and it's pulled me in.
Designed with a unique double wall, which allows airflow through the bottom holes of the bonfire to channel air to the bottom of the fire and up between the walls. This preheated air allows the fire to burn more complete, which results in a more efficient fire with very little smoke. A more efficient burn means you'll get more fire from your logs compared to an open fire pit. The bonfire is super durable, made out of premium 304 stainless steel, and is backed by a lifetime guarantee. We can't wait to...
So even though they're showing the benefits and the features, they're still showing all this imagery that creates that connection about the emotions and the actual product. It's very, very clever.
bring the soothing ambiance, the dancing flames, and the rustic smell of a glowing campfire straight to your backyard. We're excited to play a small part in bringing you together with family and friends in the outdoors.
And there, they're drawing it back in with that main concept of enjoying it with your family and friends in the outdoors. They're bringing it back after doing all the specifications and features parts of the video.
Become a backer and be the first to experience the Solo Stove Bonfire.
Cool, so I'm guessing that this was a Kickstarter campaign and now it's an actual product that you can purchase. Yeah, this is a fantastic example of a product video that isn't just about the features, like a product description, but it tries to create that connection between the emotions experience and the actual product. This is much more advanced and a much higher level video. I don't recommend doing this for your first products if you're a beginner, because it can really easily go wrong. I recommend sticking with those first two strategies of reviewing the product or making a very simple product description video that just talks about the benefits of the product. But of course, if you do this right, the benefits are huge because these guys are really tapping into a community. People buying this sort of product and watching this video, it really creates that bond with their customers and a relationship, gets them to feel loyal and being a part of what they're doing here. Of course, you can see the production value is really high, so you're going to need to hire actors and prepare the script in great detail and do all the editing. It's a lot more to do here. That's why I recommend doing those other videos beforehand. And with those other videos, what I recommend doing is just sitting down and looking at your current product description and then preparing a very simple script. There are a lot of other videos just like these, so watch a bunch of different videos and prepare a script in a similar format. And you can film it all in one take, but also you can do what I do, where I film all my videos and then I cut up all the different parts in between so it's one cohesive message. This removes all the fluff so it's more engaging and you can just make sure it sounds very professional. So yeah guys, there are some ideas for creating product videos for your e-commerce store. I really hope that was helpful. There's so much I could go into here, but that's a good overview. If it was helpful, please let me know in the comments below. Give this video a like and consider subscribing and check out my other videos if you want to keep learning how to grow your e-commerce store with practical and authentic advice. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.